Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to show the real-time refresh rate on your screen using Android developer options. Open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down to the very bottom of the menu and tap directly on About Phone or About Device. Locate the entry labeled Build Number. Tap on Build Number 7 times in rapid succession until a pop-up message appears stating you are now a developer. If prompted, enter your lock screen PIN, password, or pattern to authorize developer access. Go back to the main settings menu, scroll down and tap on System or look for developer options directly. Inside the System menu, tap on Developer Options to open the Advanced Configuration Parameters. Scroll down through the debugging or hardware accelerated rendering sections until you locate the toggle switch labeled Show Refresh Rate. Tap the toggle switch next to Show Refresh Rate to turn it on. A live numerical overlay will instantly appear in the top corner of your screen layout, displaying your display's current frequency in real time as it dynamic shifts between 60 Hz, 90 Hz, or 120 Hz depending on your screen activity. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future project. Thank you for watching.